Sapphire essence is one that is often associated with spiritual awakening, meditation. In some practices, they use it to facilitate forgiveness or ho'oponopono. And it really helps to expand your third eye and upper chakras. But it's also got some really transformative, amazing essences in it that help connect with earth and like the really rich, grounding, powerful earth energies that help open your life force, the flow of life force from your root up to your crown. And that would include Black Star Sapphire, Ruby Star Sapphire. These are both really strong essences for Kundalini. The Earth Star really is one of the more deep ones, but they also help creating a sense of protection, but also introspection. And then it's also got the Orange Sapphire, which is really good for emotional balance. The Green Sapphire, which is really healing, emotional balancing. It promotes energies of regeneration and upliftment. It's got the Deep Blue Sapphire, which is of course the one that you think of when you think of the third eye awakening or spiritual awakening. And then the Clear Sapphire or the White Sapphire is more the one that helps you to align with cosmic energy and helps you to like see beyond and develop your sense of perception beyond like, you know, this plane. And then of course the Light Blue Sapphire inspires joy, bliss. It's very soft. It's thought of as more one that you'd use for like angelic connection or anytime that you need to really kind of just sweeten things or soften things. And then the Lavender Sapphire is also really good for angelic connection, and it's one you can use to help balance crown chakra energies. It might be good for sleep or feeling more protected or connected when you sleep. And then of course the Yellow Sapphire is the one everyone loves. It's in the Manipura or third chakra, and it's the one that's associated with prosperity and also like mind power and intellectual power, optimism. The Pink Sapphire is really good actually for third eye chakra. So it helps with clearing blockages in the third eye associated with judgments and criticisms and other energies, so that what's left is more just that unconditional love energy. And so in this blend, it's extremely powerful and very soft for just helping third eye, the crown, even, you know, the throat, the heart, all of the different energy centers to blossom and unfold. You just want one essence that promotes all these different things, but that's in attunement with meditation and spiritual awakening. So that is our Sapphire essence. Thank you very much.